Welcome back guys, welcome to my channel Catia for everyone. Please keep subscribing my channel, hit the bell icon for interesting content. So I've thought of making a aeroplane in part design so that you will be covering every sketch based feature, transformation feature, dress up features. We'll be covering everything. So we'll be going step by step. Today we'll be in this lecture we'll be designing fuselage of an aeroplane. Fuselage is nothing but the center body of an airplane is called as fuselage. That means where the passenger seat, where the everything is placed. That is known as fuselage. Today we will be discussing how to design a fuselage, and then further when we go, we will be using all these features to design an airplane. So then everything will be completed, and also you will be knowing how to design in KTM. It will be a parallel work. So let's begin with no delay. Let's create some planes at 30 mm, 20 mm and 15 mm for an axis system. So let's create the plane. So for plane, let's keep 30 and one more plane from this. Let's keep it like 20 and one more plane from this. It's like 15 mm. Let's start sketching in this plane with no delay, no delay. Select position, sketch, projection point, and that's our origin. Click on OK. Center your sketch. Don't forget to do this. The circle. Let the diameter be like 1 mm. So for instance, I am designing a toy craft. Okay guys, I have just designed our aeroplane using multi-section. So I have made little modifications. So select two planes very near to each other. See these two, these are just 4 mm apart, and then these two planes are 24 mm apart. You can see here. So I had sketched here, sketch the front portion. That's 5 mm diameter, and the next section was 20 mm diameter. Let's just unhide these two even. Yeah, this was 65 mm diameter, and this is our sketch plane normal, which plane it's YZ plane, and this is 95 mm diameter. And to the other side of our plane I have selected one more plane, that's minus 331 mm at a distance. So in that I had again drawn a circle, and that's of 85 mm diameter. So all these I have done multi-section, and next you have to select one more plane away from this that will make the back portion of our aeroplane. Select a plane parallel, that must be nearly, let's hope, and just let's assume, yeah, so this would be good. Yeah, select the plane, position, sketch, projection point, that should be our origin. Okay, I am just drawing a smaller circle here, small one. This will be fine, I hope. Yeah, that was 7.9, let's make it 7. And now just multi-section these two, sketch 1, sketch 2, preview. Yeah, that's good. It's fantastic. Your fuselage is ready. Now let's hide all these geometrical sets and also the sketches in the part body. All these, press Ctrl and select all these, and then right click, hide them. Our aeroplane is almost, our fuselage is ready. Now let's just make some windows here. Yeah, so windows, we have to select this plane, then start sketching. Position sketch, projection point will be horizon. Carefully select this. Projection point. Horizon. That's done. And swap means horizontal becomes vertical, vertical becomes horizontal. You can see without swapping, here it was horizontal and this was vertical, but we have to make it horizontal, so I swapped it and again reverse horizontal, so your plane will be looking like this. Now select a rectangle. Okay, start sketching. Put your little windows. Okay, now just don't draw a number of rectangles here. Here you have an option. Where is that? Not here. I'll show you. Exit your workbench. See here. This is called rectangular pattern. Have circular pattern, user pattern, rectangular pattern. Select the rectangular pattern. For that, before that, you just have to pocket this because it's available only for part bodies, not sketch. Mirror extent dimensions. If you select up to last, it will be throughout the section. See, where is sketch? So pocket. I have done the pocket here. Now I'll show you a dress up feature. That's fillet. Let's select edge fillet. So let's make our sketch smoother one. So if you use fillet, the stresses near these edges will be reduced. That's why when you're using sketch, you're using fillet. Now the same will be in part body. Let's make radius some 2 mm. Now did you see that your fillet is ready? Similarly, apply for all the, just rotate your figure and you can apply your fillet to all the edges, or otherwise you can simply select at a time every edge, hold control on your keyboard and then select all the edges and then simply edge fillet. Yeah, it's done. Now you can rectangular pattern these. Object I'm using is pocket, and edge fillet one. This is object. Yeah, we can only pocket a single thing. Select rectangular pattern. In object, select pocket. And how many instances do I need? Let's just assume up to here. Let's just assume like not 15, let's assume 12. Spacing I need between each and everything, I need some 3 mm. Then reference element, you're selecting this plane, not possible, select this plane. Yes, yeah, I have select XY plane, reverse that. You can observe here, or just increase the spacing, simply increase the spacing, you will find it where to stop. Now let's increase our instances to 15. It's all based on assumption, man. Just do your assumptions. Just click on preview. I think this will be good to see. Yeah, that's done. See, it's nice. Our fuselage is ready, and we need some fillets here. You can even provide fillets to each and everything, but I think it's not possible to pattern the fillet. Let me delete this and do all at a time. Select all the 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Let's do a fillet at a time for all these 4 edges, so that we can pattern that easily. Rectangular pattern. Okay, you can't pattern fillets, so for each and everything you have to provide. So that's up to your concern. And one more array I will be sketching here. Similar to this, I will be sketching here one more pattern and create a window block. Okay, now just see, our fuselage is almost ready, and now we have to create the pilot's cockpit. So that we need a slot here also. But what I'm doing is I'm selecting this plane, sketching, position sketch, projection point, somewhere is origin, need it. Okay, projection point, I selected the origin. First edit will be useful for us. And then I start sketching here. Let's make a rectangle. For this I am selecting symmetry, because it must be symmetrical with both the axes. Both sides should be symmetrical. And it should be there. Yeah, that's fine. And let's make a pocket. Till where some. Yeah, the cabin is ready. See, our fuselage is ready. Next I will be designing wings and the rudder, elevator, everything, wings. Here I have told you use of this fillet, edge fillet. Similarly face fillet. It can be applied between two faces. For example, let's see, this is a face and this is a face. Select a face fillet. Okay, this is not a face fillet, this is the face fillet. Select face 1 and then phase 2. Fillet radius, it's 5 mm. Let's just preview. Oh, it's too high. Let's keep 2 mm. See, a fillet is created between the two faces. Similar this, select face fillet, this face and the face next to that. Fillet radius 2 mm. Okay, you can see fillet is created here. Similarly, all these edge fillet variable radius, that means here you can give one radius at one point and another radius after some distance. And this is chordal fillet, that means you can give a chord length, then the fillet will be obtained according to that radius. And then face to face fillet, that means I have told you now, that's face fillet. Tritangent fillet is also similar to face fillet. You have to select two faces and the middle face it will be removed. For example, I will show you. While designing wing, I will be showing you using tritangent fillet and draft, chamfer, shell, everything. So thank you for watching this video. We will be continuing with the casting and designing of aeroplane in next lecture. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe the channel, keep watching, hit the bell icon. Thank you.